Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for another Clean With Me video. I hope that this gives you some cleaning motivation today, and if you're new here, I hope you hit that red subscribe button and introduce yourself in the comments. Get ready, Vlogmas starts with the next video on my channel, and I'm curious, do you still want to see cleaning videos once a week during Vlogmas? Let me know in the comments. Today I'm doing an afternoon of laundry, cleaning, and decluttering. I had 6 loads of laundry to do after the holiday weekend because we had guests. So I had a ton of extra towels and sheets to wash, and because I couldn't do any of my laundry over the weekend because I was spending that time visiting with everyone, I had my laundry and the kids' laundry to do too. So apologies for my voice because I also came down with a cold around Thanksgiving and I just haven't quite gotten rid of it yet. But once I was feeling a little bit better, I needed to tackle the mess that we had from hosting Thanksgiving and our guests all weekend. I wanted to make sure I deep cleaned our bathrooms, so I'm using my Clorox wipes to clean all of the fixtures around the sink and my Clorox wands that I keep next to each toilet in the house, and I could not recommend these more if you haven't tried them yet. And I'm mopping the floors with lemon Lysol today to make sure that they're extra clean. And I love using the Method Mint glass cleaners for my mirrors, and this holiday season I am obsessed with the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-Surface Spray, so I'm using that to wipe down the cabinets. Also, I washed all of the towels, so hanging those back up after that fresh wash. I also washed all of the sheets in the house, so putting fresh linens back on our guest bed, on our master bed, and later you'll see me put clean sheets on Landon's bed after the kiddos are up from their naps. But I always try to take advantage of nap time to get as much cleaning done as possible, and today's cleaning and laundry and declutter took me around 3.5 hours grand total to do, not counting any of the breaks in between. I wasn't doing a super deep clean besides in the bathrooms, just again changing those sheets, doing a quick declutter and a sweep of the floors in the other rooms, which I think helped cut down a little bit on the time. And I'd started the laundry first thing in the morning, but I just didn't put anything away until the kids were napping, so that way it felt a little bit more efficient to sort of batch everything and put everything away at once besides Landon's laundry and his bedding, which you'll see I had to wait to do last until he woke up from his nap. And I use that same Method mint glass cleaner on my stainless steel appliances. I think it really helps to keep them clean and streak-free, and the scent smells so good. There's just way too many toys. Again, apologies for my voice today, but as you can see, Thanksgiving really did a number on this toy room. So instead of like putting everything back, I got this huge box that the kids' like Pottery Barn Anywhere chairs were in. And I'm just going to try to go through and put anything that I don't think the kids really play with, because a lot of this is because like their cousins were over, so I think like a lot of stuff got dragged out that I know they don't even play with anymore, that we can give to like Salvation Army or Goodwill or something like that, because we just really need a toy room purge before this Christmas and holiday season, and I'm sure a lot of you mamas are in a similar boat. So hopefully this will give you some motivation if you need to clean up your toy room and organize your play space and do a good toy purge before this Christmas. And you can see Presley woke up and joined me for the rest of this toy purge down here. She's my little cleaning buddy. She's turning into such a mama's girl, and I love it. If you enjoy my cleaning videos, I would really appreciate it if you shared them on your socials, and make sure we're friends on Instagram and Twitter as well, so that we can stay connected over there. I so appreciate you watching, and I hope that this gives you motivation to tackle your to-do list and do that toy purge if you need to do that. Tag me if you have any before and after pics. I love seeing what you do and getting inspired by you, and just appreciate this community of support that we have so much. And don't forget, today is the last day to order any merch from my Etsy store to ensure holiday delivery. Thank you so much for those of you who've ordered something. I'm blown away and could not be more grateful for all of the love and support. Thank you. Well, I have to say, compared to what it was, I feel like it at least looks straightened now. But I'm not gonna lie, I think I still need to do like another purge of stuff. Thanks for being my helper. And look at all of the stuff. We made a good dent. There's a lot of good stuff, huh? For the season of giving.
Dog.
Dog, that is a dog, you're right. Hey, I gotta make your bed. You gotta get out of there, goof. All right, make sure you're subbed and that your notifications are turned on. I will see you in my next video that will start Vlogmas. Bye, loves.